Around 20,000 years ago, humans began breeding dogs. By doing so, we introduced an entirely new type of evolution by design. Fast forward to today, and a similar evolution is happening in the advertising and marketing technology industry with the introduction of AdTech and MarTech. Before the internet, companies used to advertise and market their services to entire demographics through print, TV, and radio. It was survival of the fittest brand. Now the winners are those that select how to adapt according to their environment. AdTech is moving out of the Stone Age and into the Space Age. Advertisers are leveraging data to target consumers with surgical precision and are using automation tools to increase efficiency and effectiveness. The result? A significant reduction in advertising costs when compared to more traditional channels. And for consumers, a more relevant advertising experience. Like AdTech, MarTech is reshaping the B2B and B2C landscape. In fact, most marketers now use more than 5 MarTech tools daily. Data-driven MarTech is empowering companies to tap into an entire ecosystem of information to develop hyper-personalized marketing campaigns. Even more exciting is the future, where artificial intelligence, connected TV, and emerging technologies will completely reshape the way we live and work. Like our ancestors, those who have a forward-thinking vision see change as an opportunity. We're offering forward-thinking investors the chance to shape the future with Mr. Ad, the ETF for AdTech and MarTech investing. Mr. Ad is actively managed and fully transparent, investing in 30 approximately equally weighted, carefully selected companies that we believe will benefit from the MarTech and AdTech evolution. Embark on a new chapter of human history. Invest in Mr. Ad today. Investors should consider the investment objectives, risks, charges, and expenses carefully before investing. For a prospectus or summary prospectus, visit our website at www.smartetfs.com. Read the prospectus carefully before investing.